Hey guys, I'm Arjun, a CSE final year student with a minors in mathematics, and I'm the joint convener as well as the head of the Crypt Special Interest Group of ISTE, which deals with all things computer related. Now, you may have heard of Crypt through events that we had during the course of the last year, which include Obscura, a fun online event in tandem with different Unity made games, Kryptonite during Transcend, which was a black box algorithm guessing competition, followed by a technical ideathon, both of which were conducted seamlessly kudos to the developers in ISCE. This was followed by ISCE's flagship event Scotland Yard, built completely by the members of ISCE, and more recently the Kaggle-thon, which aimed at giving all of you a deeper look into what Kaggle has to offer. And not just that, even the website you're accessing right now has been maintained solely by the members of Crypt. We are working continuously to update and integrate more features into it. The website contains information about our club IC, our core members, and not to mention the entire recruitment process. So do feel free to go through the website to inform yourself and get a better idea about what ISC has to offer. Now, coming to our projects for this year. After careful consideration and deliberation, our members have come up with a list of projects that align with their interests and most probably your interests as well in various fields of computer science. I'll just give you a brief overview of the projects now. In the field of networking and systems, we have a project regarding XTP routers, which aims to create a virtual XTP router as the name suggests. For all the cryptography enthusiasts out there, we have a secure e-auction project where our members aim to implement an auction environment using various nuances of blockchain. Not to mention, in the field of ML, DL, and AI, or machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence, we have an image cataloger project which uses techniques such as convolutional neural networks to catalog images, and also a pixel art generation project which aims to use deep learning techniques to create pixel art based characters for any animation or game you wish to design. Finally, we have our game development oriented project which aims to build our very own checkers game and to create an AI using deep learning to create the optimal opponent for any player. Now, all these details might seem a little excessive, and don't worry if some of the terms went over your head. Our members will be sure to teach you all that you need to know in the collaborative process of working on these projects. To know more about these projects in a little bit more detail, please check out the project sections of the website. It contains more details and you might get a better grasp of what the projects entail. Now, coming to internships. Internships are an important part of a college curriculum to deliver the necessary industry experience, which often turns out to be crucial, especially for CSIT students. Towards this, Crypt conducts online tests and mock interviews, which closely reflect the recruitment process to many multinational companies or MNCs, giving the confidence necessary to take the internship season head on. Having gone through the entire recruitment process ourselves, we, the finalists of Crypt, have bagged internships, pre-placement offers, and placement offers from Oracle, Microsoft, Goldman Sachs, and the like, and thus are very much competent to help you through your process as well. We also have a fair share of seniors who are currently pursuing their master's degree in colleges both domestically and abroad, and who are ever willing to help juniors out if they have similar interests. Crypt also has a culture of imparting knowledge in the form of knowledge exchange programs or KAPs, where seniors teach juniors in the field of web development, app development, machine learning, deep learning, and the list goes on. To summarize, all the concepts that have not been taught to students as part of their curriculum, but concepts that are still very relevant to the industry, are exchanged using these KPs. Not to mention that Crypt has always been happy if juniors themselves want to conduct KPs of niche field of interest if they have the confidence to do so. Lastly, we have collaborated with companies like Postman and also other clubs in notable institutes like Hopper's Pub in Edinburgh in the form of hackathons and workshops, giving our members more exposure to the industry. If anything that I have said has piqued your interest, be it conducting events, taking part in these projects, building new software, or even just not networking with and learning from other skilled people in the field of CS, Do register to be a part of this. Stay safe and all the best.